Can we talk about this frost though? Don't mind that stuff thrown in the back. But look at the frost on the grass, you guys. Okay. I live in Florida, y'all. It's 33 degrees this morning. By the way, it's day 3. But okay, just look, like, can we talk about this for a minute? Like, that's legit frost. Like, this typically happens like every year, but just for the ones that think that Florida doesn't get cold, well, here you go. Okay, so here's my tree. I wanted to share it with you guys, and I wanted to show you it without the lights turned on. Let me turn on the actual light so you can see it a little bit better, because it's kind of dark on this side. Hold on. Well, here you go. A much better view. So I'm like obsessed. I think it's really pretty. This is my first time doing like a pink and gold tree, a girly tree in general. I don't know, I just decided to do a girly tree this year because I mentioned it before, I'm the only female in my house. Even the dog is a male. So, you know, I was just like, I want to do a tree for me this year. So, and I think it came out really pretty. Like, everybody likes it. So, yeah. Thumbs up if you like my tree. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And let's just get on with the video. Hey guys, and good morning. So today is day 3 of Vlogmas. I'm trying my best to just be consistent with Vlogmas. I've told you guys again and again that I want to be like consistent with vlogging and just consistent like with my channel in general, makeup tutorials, hauls, etc. So I felt like this is the time. I want to go into 2021 keeping that promise to myself. So I just tried to get it in my head that I wanted to take on the challenge of Vlogmas. Now, granted, I'm gonna say it here, I may not upload every day, just because there just may not be anything. I may combine like 2 or 3 days, but the point of it is I'm going to at least have the minimum of 2 or 3 videos a week, whether that be every single day or literally 2 to 3 days a week that I'm combining and just doing it like that. So I'm about to do laundry. Let me show you. So there's a lot of laundry in there. I'm about to do laundry, so nothing fancy, nothing really interesting, but that's just what we're about to do. You know, we're in a pandemic, cases are going up, a lot of things are shutting down again. We can't really do anything, so Vlogmas may be boring, you know, but the point of it is just to stay consistent to what I want to do, and yeah, you know, so let's go ahead and do laundry.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me
Have not tried these dryer sheets. Oh my god, these are the truth. Like, they smell so freaking amazing. Definitely recommend them. And I'm back again. So now I'm going to go ahead and wash my clothes. Yeah, guys. So how are you guys doing? Like, in your state, is your state like closing? Like, I know, like, you know, with New York and stuff, it's crazy right now. I'm in Florida, if you don't know by now. So it's pretty like the same. Our governor is like, how do I say, like pretty chill about it. Like, you know, like nothing's really like closing or nothing's having like restrictions or anything like that. Again, it's just, you know, normal. We opened back up and we're staying open back up as of now. So we'll see how that goes.
I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain. Now, baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you can see.
Okay, so this is a weird angle. I'm still folding laundry. My tripod is somewhere over there. I don't feel like getting it, so we're just gonna deal, okay? So as you can see, I'm still doing laundry. Today is just like a catching up on laundry day, kind of cleaning up and all that stuff. So that's just what I'm doing. If you had like any requests or like certain videos you wanted me to record or you wanted to see during Vlogmas, I do know I'm going to be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I'm not going to announce when it's going to be. I'm just going to have it like in a random video. I'm also going to, I know I'm going to do a gingerbread house, like decorate video. That will be fun. We're trying to get into the tradition of doing that every year. So that's what I'm going to do. Also, what else? If I go shopping, I want to take you guys along with me. If I do purchase anything, like some hauls or whatever, I do want to include that also. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this laundry, you guys. It's really nothing interesting. That was really basically like the whole day, you know. It's really nothing going on. Like I said, you know, there's really not much that anybody could do anyways, you know, with everything going on. So yeah, all right guys, that is it, and I'll see you guys later on.